Welcome to our latest video, how to install wall tiles for luxury bathrooms. In this video, we'll discuss some excellent techniques for installing wall tiles to give your bathroom a high-end, luxurious look. Whether professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this video will provide all the information you need to start your next bathroom renovation project. We will cover everything from planning the layout, measuring and cutting tiles, applying adhesive, installing the tiles, grouting, and sealing the grout. We will also share some tips and tricks to make the installation process easier and more efficient. So whether you're looking to upgrade your current bathroom or create a brand new one, this video will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to get the job done right. So let's get started. Transform your bathroom with easy wall tiling techniques. Planning the layout. Before you begin installing wall tiles, it's important to plan the layout of your tiles. This will help you to determine the number of tiles you'll need and ensure that your final result is symmetrical and visually pleasing. Consider the size of your bathroom, the shape of your walls, and the overall design of your bathroom when planning your tile layout. Measuring and cutting tiles. Once you've planned your tile layout, you'll need to measure and cut your tiles to fit the shape of your walls. Use a tile cutter or a wet saw to make precise cuts. Always measure twice and cut once to avoid mistakes. Applying adhesive. Before you begin installing your tiles, you'll need to apply adhesive to the walls. Use a notch trowel to spread the adhesive evenly over the wall surface. Make sure to work in small sections so the adhesive doesn't dry out before you can install the tiles. Installing the tiles. Begin installing the tiles by aligning them with the center of your wall or a reference line you created earlier. Use a string and a plumb to ensure that each tile is level. Press each tile firmly into the adhesive, ensuring no air bubbles or gaps between the tiles. Grouting. Once your tiles are installed, you'll need to grout the joints between them. Use a rubber float to press the grout into the joints and ensure they're filled. Wipe off any excess grout with a damp sponge. Allow the grout to dry for at least 24 hours before using the bathroom. Sealing. To protect your grout and ensure that it lasts for years to come, it's essential to seal it. Use a grout sealer to protect it from moisture and stains. It's important to use a grout sealer specifically designed for bathroom use and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Once the sealer is applied, allow it to dry completely before using the bathroom. This will typically take 24–48 hours. Additionally, it's also a good idea to reapply the sealer every 12–18 months to ensure maximum protection. This will ensure that your grout stays new and your bathroom stays in top condition. That's it for our video on excellent techniques for installing wall tiles for luxury bathrooms. We hope you found this information helpful and are ready to tackle your bathroom renovation project. Remember, take your time and measure twice before cutting, and you'll be sure to achieve a professional, high-end look. Remember to seal your grout to ensure its longevity and maintain your bathroom's overall look. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us or consult a professional contractor. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.